Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll walk you through installing CricFy TV on your PC in just a few easy steps. Let's dive right in. First, open up your browser and head over to the official CricFy TV website or their trusted Telegram channel to get the latest APK download link. Make sure to avoid any sketchy websites to stay safe. Since CricFy TV is designed for Android, you'll need an emulator to run it on your PC. I suggest going with BlueStacks as it offers smooth performance and reliability. After you've installed BlueStacks, launch the program and log in with your Google account. This will set everything up for you. Now you can download the CricFy TV APK either inside BlueStacks or through your browser. Once the download is finished, simply drag the APK file into BlueStacks and it will automatically install. Once the installation is complete, you'll find the CricFy TV icon in the emulator. Just click on it and you're all set to start streaming your favorite content. That's it, a quick and easy setup. Enjoy CricFy TV on your PC and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.